Hello, welcome to RapzWorldWide software, and this is the top 5 South African local series you can watch at Showmax. And if you don't have a subscription with Showmax yet, you can go to my description below to click the link and sign up now so you can get your 14 days trial so you can be able to do some catch up. But before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell next to it for more updates. Number 1 is The Queen. The Queen is a South African telenovela that premiered on Mzansi Magic on August 1, 2017 and on Canal Plus in April 2020. It is produced by Ferguson Films, owned by acting veterans Connie Ferguson and her husband Shona Ferguson. Shona Ferguson left the production to work behind the scenes. The Queen runs at a 260 episode per season and airs every Monday to Friday at 9 p.m. on Mzansi Magic. The Queen has an all-star cast which has in its history consisted of acting veterans Connie Ferguson, Thembandaba, Stambiso Khoza, Loyiso MacDonald, Zandile Msitwana, Zenindmfanyana. Themsi Maduzalani, Makiso Sifo Manzini and Violwethan Kukana. Well-known new stars including Sabusisa Ujili, Rosemary Zimu, Cooley Roberts, Rapulana Sefimo, Brendan Ksoli, Ntando Duma, Jessica Nkosi and Peter Mashigo. The Queen concluded Season 4 with a 1-hour finale on Friday 24 July 2020. Season 5 premiered on Monday 27 July 2020. The Queen had a crossover episode with The River, featuring Cindy Tlathu as Linda Dlamini Dakana, who is Harriet's friend. The show revolves around the Khoza family, drug lords who hide their dealings behind their logistics company, and their conflicts with their competitors and the Tembisa Police Service. Connie Ferguson plays the role of Harriet Khoza, the widow of a drug lord and a drug lord known as the Queen. Rami Chuin plays another drug lord known as T. Gam and is Harriet's main rival, while Shona Ferguson plays the police officer Jerry Mock. The plot, however, changes as the Khoza's world is turned upside down by the arrival of a new lethal and ambitious enemy, Thando Sabata. Jessica Nkosi, a powerful drug lord heiress, trained assassin and sniper as she takes the Khoza's cocaine territory and becomes the new drug queen pin. Number 2 is The River. The River is a South African television series created by Fathom Aquarella and Gwydion Bainan. It is an Mnet original production produced by Chedza Pictures for DSTV's general entertainment subscription channel One Magic and is available for streaming on Naspers subscription-based video-on-demand service Showmax. From 2019, reruns began airing on Mzansi Magic. The drama series is set in Pretoria against the backdrop of South Africa's mining sector. A diamond discovery in the river running between the poor township of Refill and the affluent neighborhood of Silver Lakes quickly turns from a blessing to a curse. The river tells the story of Kanyisa Diamonds mine owner Linda Dlamini Dakana, who is ruthless and calculating, and the extent she will go to in order to protect her family and maintain her lavish lifestyle. Linda was married to Provincial Police Commissioners Wheelie Dakana and is a mother to Andal and Mbali Dakana, stepmother to Naman Dakana. The Dakanas live in a mansion in Pretoria, East South Africa in the township of Refill, where Kanyisa Diamonds is located, live poverty-stricken residents, many of whom work at the mine. The Makona family, consisting of Malefu Makona and her children, Thuso, Dimfo, and Atumaling, live in Refill. Unbeknownst to everyone except Malefu, Tumi is adopted, having been found at a river as a baby by her late adoptive father, Thado Makona. Number 3 is Lockdown. Get locked into Thabazimbi Women's Correctional Facility with a cast of characters who are each more complex than the last. Over its past 4 seasons, Lockdown has been raking in the SAFTAs, including the award for Best TV Drama in 2019 and Best Drama Script in 2018. In Season 1, we're introduced to the prison and key characters including resident bully Tyson and matriarch Mazet. Later, we'll meet prison governor Deborah Banda, who's no less criminal than the worst of her charges. Number 4 is Gomorrah. Gomorrah is a South African television drama series produced by Sariti Films. It is an Mnet original production commissioned for Mnet's local interest channel Mzansi Magic. The drama series replaces Istambiso, which hasn't been renewed for a 4th season. The series tells a story of 2 families in 2 different lifestyles and how their lives intertwine by a tragedy. The series is filmed in the Alexandra Township, hence the name of the series. Gomorrah airs Monday to Friday at 7:30 p.m. on Mzansi Magic. The series tells the story of two families, one of a man who has made his riches and success by illegal means from a bank he owns, the other of a well-respected man in the community that struggles to make ends meet. Their two worlds collide in a botched hijacking attempt which sets their worlds into a complete downward spiral. The series explores the themes of social-economic issues, the disparity between the low and upper-class members of South African societies, of which their contrast between them being brought to life through one of the most innovative filming styles. Number 5 is Housekeepers. In a world behind high walls and luxury, the wealthy may believe they are powerful in the comfort of their mansions, but it is the housekeepers who see all and know all. Things aren't quite what they seem as unlikely characters get pulled into the never-ending life of crime. A feisty new detective begins connecting the dots and realizes that all evidence points to the protagonist, Linda. To make matters worse, Linda is drawn into a sizzling romance, but when she soon discovers the full extent of her lover's macabre plans and an unbelievable hidden history, everything spirals. Thank you for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, then hit a notification bell for more updates. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you.